Good morning, kids. In the previous class, we have studied the chapter Mumbai, the city that never sleeps. Now, kids, it's the time to begin the next chapter, that is Kolkata, the city of joy. I'm repeating, Kolkata, the city of joy. Yes, kids, the city of joy, the city with a soul. The real heart of the city lies in its people. So, kids, in this chapter, we will study about the history of Kolkata, climate of Kolkata, culture and cuisines of Kolkata, transportation system of Kolkata, industries of Kolkata, and places to visit. So now kids, let's begin the chapter. Before we begin the chapter, let's see the introduction of Kolkata. Till the 17th century, Kolkata was nothing more than a village. But today, it is one of the major metropolitan cities of India, along with Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. The credit for its present status goes to the expansion plans of the European powers, especially the British Raj. Kolkata was once the capital city of British India and also the gateway to India till 1912. It is a major commercial city consisting of big industrial plants and corporate houses. Kids, this is a city of commerce, transport, and manufacture. So, kids, city of commerce means the activity of buying and selling large number of goods. Manufacture means to make something on large scale. So, this is a city of commerce, transport, and manufacture. And do you know, kids? Kolkata is a prominent urban center of eastern India. Kids, when you will see the political map of India, you will find that Kolkata is situated here on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River. Kolkata, formerly known as Calcutta. The old name of Kolkata was Calcutta, and Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. It is a capital state of West Bengal. The city is centered on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River, which is a distributary of the Ganga River. Distributary means it is branch of the Ganga River. Now kids, let's study about the climate of Kolkata. Kids, Kolkata experiences moderate climate. Moderate climate means neither too hot nor too cold. So, Kolkata experiences moderate climate with fairly hot in summers and moderately cold in winters. Kolkata remains dry round the year except for the months of June to September. That means it rains from June to September, and it rains so heavily that it causes waterlogging in the city. Waterlogging in the city means when water overflows in the city and gets collected in the city. Skills for life. During the months of July and August, when it rains heavily in West Bengal, the level of water in the river is too much in the Hooghly River, causing floods. Now, what is floods? Kids, when water overflows in large amount, it is called flood. And do you know, kids, floods may cause damage to houses, industries, public utilities, or you can say public properties, and also lead to loss of life also. If you see the background, you will find that there is water logging in the city and it has caused flood. Kids, we should be ready for any natural calamity. So kids, if you live in a flood prone area means where flood usually takes place. So you need to follow some basic steps to be prepared for an emergency. So before the flood, see, what should we do before the flood? Have an evacuation plan. Now, what is evacuation plan? Evacuation plan means how to leave that danger place. So you have to be ready with that plan. That how I have to be ready to leave that place. So we have to ready with the evacuation plan prepared that will help you to reach to safety. Keep food items stored in an extra supply of drinking water in high rise shelves. During the flood, now what should we do during the flood? Move around in large groups. Do not stray and tread in deep water. You should not move here and there in deep water. You should not move aimless in deep water. Follow the evacuation plan, the plan which you have made to escape from danger, that you should follow. Keep a first aid kit, flashlights, and portable radio handy in case of any warning. See, kids, we should be ready with the first aid box. We should always be ready with the first aid box. You never know which medicine or what first aid you may need. So you have to ready with the first aid kit. And then flashlights. As there will be water logging in the city, so electricity will not be there. So you will need flashlights over there. And then portable radio. The radio which you can take from one place to another. Why? So that you can listen to the instructions given by the radio jockey. After the flood. Now, what should we do after the flood? Wear long legged clothing to protect yourself from mosquitoes which breed mostly in this season. You know, kids, mosquitoes breed in the areas where there is waterlogging. So, we should wear long leg clothing to protect ourselves from mosquitoes. And what should we do? We should drink boiled water. We should drink boiled water.